Today, we're diving into my ultimate chocolate banana loaf cake recipe. It's so easy to make that by the end of this video, you'll be saying, why don't I bake this every weekend? And honestly, same. Let's start with some ripe bananas, like almost embarrassing to display on your counter kind. These are the MVPs of this recipe. Mash them until they're smoother than your Wi-Fi connection during a Zoom call. Now, grab a bowl and whisk together all-purpose flour, unsweetened cocoa powder, granulated sugar, and a pinch of salt. If you're anything like me, this is when you realize you forgot one ingredient. But hey, that's part of the fun, right? Crack in your eggs. Try not to get shell in there unless you're making crunchy chocolate banana loaf. Mix it all together, and when you're done, fold in those mashed bananas. It's like a beautiful chocolate banana symphony in a bowl. Here comes the most satisfying part, pouring that silky batter into a greased loaf pan. Make sure it's smooth on top like you're frosting a cake for the queen or your Instagram followers. Pop it into your preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 55 minutes. Pro tip, don't open the oven door to peek. Trust the process. It's like texting someone first. You just gotta wait it out. If your loaf sinks in the middle, don't panic. Just say it's artisanal or rustic. Honestly, who's judging when it smells this good? And look at this masterpiece. Soft, fluffy, chocolatey perfection. It's the kind of dessert that makes you say, just one more slice, 6 slices later. If you're already craving a slice, smash that like button. And let me know in the comments, are you team chocolate chips or team nuts for that extra flavor boost? Oh, and don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss a chance to bake something drool-worthy. Trust me, your future self will thank you.